Hello everyone, this is Meenakshi Sharma, your English teacher from Bright Scholar Senior Secondary School. Today I am going to tell you about the chapter 2 of our English book, and the name of the chapter is Bob Dylan, the voice of generation. Do you know who is Bob Dylan? And why is he known as the voice of generation? Bob Dylan is an American songwriter, singer, painter, and musician. For over 5 decades, he has influenced the world of popular music and culture. In 2016, 75 years old Bob Dylan was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature for having created new poetic expressions within the great American song tradition. Dear students, you will be surprised to know that Bob Dylan did not go physically to attend the ceremony due to some prior commitments. His banquet speech was given by the United States Ambassador to Sweden, Azita Razi, at the Nobel banquet on 10 December 2016. That speech is given in your chapter 2. So here I want to share few main points of Bob Dylan's speech. He conveyed that the works of famous writers like Kipling, Shaw, Thomas Mann have always made a deep impression on him. He also acknowledged that songs are unlike literature, they are meant to be sung, not read. He also shared that it is harder to play for 50 people rather than 50,000 people. In his speech, he compared himself to Shakespeare. He also mentioned, "Your honesty always relates to your talent." He felt sorry but pleased and honored to be receiving such a prestigious prize. Next to this speech, in your chapter, biography of Bob Dylan has been mentioned. So here I am going to tell you some important points from his biography. Dylan, born in 1941 in Minnesota, began as a folk singer. The son of a store owner, he taught himself to play the harmonica, guitar, and piano at an early age. In the 1960s, with a harmonica and guitar, Dylan raised his voice against social injustice, war, and racism, and became a civil rights campaigner. He recorded an astonishing 300 songs in his first 3 years, including the classic Blow in the Wind. In 1963, he sang at the iconic procession for the civil rights of African Americans, where Martin Luther King Jr. gave his historic speech, "I Have a Dream." A guitarist who played with him once said, "Working with him was like knowing Shakespeare." In the late 1970s, Dylan declared that he had a spiritual rebirth and turned to religion again. He released 3 albums of religiously inspired songs. In 1980, he earned his first Grammy Award for the song "Got Yourself Somebody." In the following years, he won many more awards. In February 2010, he performed "The Times They Are A-Changin'" backed by just a piano at the White House for a concert honoring the music from the civil rights movement. After this performance, Barack Obama praised Bob Dylan and said that he came, sang, and shook hands and left. He was not interested in impressing anybody. Dylan, in other words, never followed convention. When Dylan's Nobel Prize win was announced, there was no response from him for 2 weeks. He did not travel to Stockholm for the prize ceremony. Patti Smith, another folk musician, accepted the prize and performed Dylan's song. So this is all about Bob Dylan. who is considered to be one of the greatest and most influential musicians of all time. Dear students, I hope now you all have quite information about Bob Dylan. Thank you. Have a nice day.